You have successfully submitted your application. Your tracking ID is. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Muhammad Jawad and you are watching The Beard Man. As you know, I have started a series which is how to apply visa. And it's the sixth video of this series. So, which is how to apply Pakistani visa. I'm making this video especially for my Filipinos brothers who want to visit and explore Pakistan. So without wasting time, I will tell you which documents you need to apply Pakistani visa. Here is a list of the documents which you need to prepare before applying Pakistani visa. So on top of the list, you need passport, second, white background picture, third, NBI clearance certificate, number 4, your NBI apostille which you will get from DFA, and number 5, your bank statement, and number 6, hotel bookings. Yeah, you need these documents to apply Pakistani visa. So if you have sponsor, then you need these documents to apply Pakistani visa. So first of all, you need your passport, second, your white background picture, third, your sponsor ID, fourth, your sponsor passport, fifth, your sponsor invitation letter and sponsor letter, and the sixth one is his bank statement. So there is a good news for you. You can visit Pakistan without any visa cost. Yeah, you are listening right. Pakistan allows more than 100 countries to visit Pakistan without any visa cost. And this visa is for prior to arrival visa, and you have to apply this type of visa and you will get this visa without any fee right now, and I don't know about future. So let's go to the screen. So first of all, you have to come on your Google search browser, and here you will search Pakistan e-visa. After searching it, you need to be very careful about the website. So look at this website, visa.nadra.gov.pk. So you have to click here and open this website. So now in front of you, you can see the interface of this website. So apply online. Here you will click on new account. And now you can see 2 steps in front of you. Step number 1, personal information. Step 2, email verification. So first of all, you have to give your name, your given name you will write here, then surname. After that, you have to write your email here and again retype your email, then your passport number, then password. You can select this password or you can choose your own. So you will create your own password and then again you will retype your password. And after that, here you have to type this code. This is like RRA. And now you have to click on save and continue to go to the second step. After that, you will see this screen in front of you. Registration in process. You will now need to activate your account with verification pins. An email SMS has been sent on your registered email address, mobile number with PIN for verification. So here, you know that in the first step, we have written our email. So now you have an email for confirmation on your email. Okay. So you will go there and check it for verification. So after the first step, you will come to your email and then you will see that you have received an email by Pak Visa team. And here you will see your PIN code and continue registration. You will click on continue registration. And now here you have to enter the PIN which you got in your email. Then you have to write this code here, which is called CAPTCHA. Then you will click on verify. And now you can see that your account activation process has been completed. Please log in with your email and password. It means you have your account logged in successfully. So now you have to put your email here and your password here. and this code here. And now you have to click on login. After that, you have to scan this QR code by that application. And then you will see a code in front of your screen, in your phone screen. And then you have to write that code here. After that, you have to click on verify. And here you can read terms and conditions. Terms of use Pakistan online visa. So here you can read it all. And after that, you have to click on accept and continue. Now you have a new interface in front of you. It was little hard to create your new account, but I think it will be easy to apply your new visa. So here you have to click on new application. Please select the document you want to apply for. So definitely we are applying for Pak visa, so we will click here. So it says citizens from 120 countries are eligible to apply for visa prior to arrival under business or tourism, etc. So here we have to search our nationality. So it is Philippines. So we select Philippines. And then have you applied before through POVS, and do you want to load previous applications data? No, we didn't. So we will click on no, but if you have applied before, you will click on yes. Then click on start application. And now you can see some steps in front of you. Application info, personal info, family info, then finances and employment, travel history, visit info, documents, review, payment. A lot of things we have to do. First of all, you have this interface, application information. So main category, you have to select visa prior to arrival, then visa category, then visa subcategory, tourist, then you have to select visa type. So here is only one option, which is multiple entry. And after there, you have to go down and then you will select your country, then your mission, like if they call you for interview, then where you can go. So definitely it is Manila. And after there, you have to select your entry port, which is like Islamabad, Lahore, Karachi, where you want to enter from. So you have to click here. Then departure port, same Lahore airport. And after that, here you have to select your arrival date, and then you have to select your departure date. After that, you will go down, and here you have to write your passport document number, then passport type you have to select from here, then passport country, and after that passport issue date, and then passport expiry date. After that, you have to scroll down and click on save. Now you have to write your personal information. First of all, you have to write your surname, then your given name, then your date of birth, then place of birth, and then you will scroll down. You will select your gender here, male or female, then material status, married, single, widow, and then you have to write your contact detail like email, then you will scroll down. Now you have to write your mobile number, and then you have to click on save. And now you have to write your family information. So first of all, you will write here your father name. Traveling with you means if your father will travel with you, no. Then you will scroll down and click on add member. Then you have to scroll up again, and now you have to write your mother name. Here you have to select mother. Then you have to click here because she is not traveling with you. No. Now you will scroll down again. You will click on add member. Now you have to click on save. Finances and employment. So here you have to see if you are employed, unemployed, self-employed, retired, student, or other. So you have to select one from here. So I am selecting self-employed and then save. So the next step is visit information. Stay details. Where will you stay? So here you have to select, if you are staying at hotel, you will select hotel. But if you will stay at your personal address, then you have to select it personal. And now you have to write passport document number, like your sponsor passport number. You have to write it here. Then you have to write citizen number. After that, you have to select the district. And now you have to scroll down and you will click on save. So from here, you have to upload your documents and photograph. So photograph upload guidelines. You have to read it first. Your photograph should not be older than 6 months. Photograph should have a white background. You should not be wearing glasses. So you have to check it first and then you have to upload your photographs. And documents upload guidelines. You have to read it first and after that you have to upload your documents. And you will scroll down. So here the following documents are mandatory for your visa application. Number 1, passport. Number 2, photograph. So supporting documents type, you have to click on here and then you have to select photograph, and now you will upload your photograph. Choose from here and you will click on upload. So after uploading your passport, photograph and all other supporting documents, now you have to click on save. So now you can review your whole application and you should review it very carefully. So after reviewing your application, now you have to click on save. And now you can see application information, personal information, family information, and finances and employment, visit information, documents review, everything. You can see it is completed successfully. And now you have to click on submit application. You have successfully submitted your application. Your tracking ID is, this is your tracking ID. So now you can see that your one application is in process. So viewers, as you know, we have applied for Pakistani visa from Philippines and they granted our visa in 2 days. And now I'll show you that visa. We will click on, look here, it was in process before, now it's in granted option. You will click here on download. So then you will click here and open it. So in front of you, you can see this is Pakistani visa, which is granted, visa grant notice. And that's a barcode. And date of visa application, 1st October 2025. Now you can see it is 3rd October 2025. In 2 days, our visa is granted. Visa duration 90 days. Thank you for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz. So look, it is very easy to apply Pakistani visa and Pakistan is very beautiful and you should definitely explore Pakistan and you will see very beautiful mountains, valleys and very beautiful streams and you will enjoy it. And Pakistani people, they are very lovely, very caring and you will see how Pakistani people welcome other nationals. So still, if you cannot apply Pakistani visa by your own self, then your brother is here and I will apply Pakistani visa for you. You just need to contact at Instagram and I will apply this visa for you. And if you have any further questions about Pakistani visa or about any other countries and you want to apply and you don't know how to apply it, so here is my Instagram. You should contact here and I will help you. I just request you to subscribe my channel, like my videos, comment on my videos and share it with your Filipinos friends who wants to visit Pakistan. اور یہ ویڈیو میرے ان بھائیوں کے لیے بھی ہے، وہ پاکستانی بھائیوں کے لیے ہے کہ جو اپنے کسی دوست کو فلپین سے پاکستان میں ٹریول کروانا چاہتے ہیں اور انہیں پتہ نہیں ہے کہ انہوں نے کس طرح سے ویزا اپلائی کرنا ہے، تو وہ مجھ سے کانٹیکٹ کریں. انشاءاللہ ان کا ویزا میں خود اپلائی کروں گا. بہت ایزی ہے، مشکل نہیں ہے. لیکن اگر پھر بھی آپ کو ڈاکومنٹس میں کوئی پرابلم آ رہی ہے، کوئی ڈیفیکلٹی آ رہی ہے، پتہ نہیں ہے کون سا ڈاکومنٹ فلپینز میں کہاں سے بنانا ہے، NVI کیسے بنانا ہے، اپوسٹائل کیسے بنانا ہے، تو میرے سے کانٹیکٹ کریں. انشاءاللہ I will help you. So see you in the next video. تب تک کے لیے اللہ حافظ، اللہ نگہبان. السلام علیکم.